Welcome to UNA University, UNARepublic. Welcome. I'm yours truly, Diva Laree. I just want to talk to my people who are new to the channel. Hello and welcome. Listen, we deal with law, all of the laws, from the universal laws to the laws of maxim to natural law to code, statutes, and ordinances, and federal laws, and contract law. We deal with it all. We deal with it. So we want to welcome you here and get an opportunity to learn how to stand in law. Okay, so now what is UNA and UNA University? UNA stands for United Nations from America. You can see United Nations from America. And it is started to be a county for those of us sovereigns who are having a problem getting our documents on public record. And so we started this organization back in 2020. And the purpose, once again, is for those of us who are sovereign and we're walking this walk and we're being blocked. Well, UNA is a nation. It's a sovereign nation of sovereign nations. So everybody who comes into UNA, you have to be under trust. You have to understand law to be a member, because what we do, you're not here to be under UNA. UNA is a sovereign nation to stand with you as another sovereign nation. And it's important to us that you have knowledge of how to stand on your own, because if you're just standing under somebody and you're ignorant, then you're going to be taken advantage of. You're going to be devoured, just like it's always been in the past. So we've got to make sure you have knowledge of this law. So we are a sovereign nation that backs you as a sovereign nation. That's how we operate. The university is started because we've had so many people to come in and say that they've had this document and these paperwork set up for them, but they have no idea how to stand on it. Well, that's like having the world's most powerful gun and you don't know how to take the safety off. So we want to make sure you know how to use these tools and weapons to your advantage. It's not just about having it, it's about knowing how to use it. So that's why we have the university, and we encourage all of you all to come in so that you can learn how to use these tools, because there's a lot of information that goes with having these tools. All right, so those of you all who don't know, if you don't have an understanding of what's going on, we offer a lot of information in our open sessions just about learning how to stand and what the true laws are and where to go and look them up, and some information on etymology, meaning some of the contracts that we have been accepting in society. All right, for example, the terms that you're calling yourself. These things are important because we don't understand that we've been making legal contracts every time we open our mouth, every time we sign something. So you've got to come in so you can learn what's really going on when you're operating out here in commerce, because a lot of us are not recognizing that we are creating all of these contracts and all of these laws, and then when things go wrong, we don't know how to get out of it. Well, we're going to learn how to stand and we learn how to walk, okay? So we're going to post Sundays, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Those are the times when we normally post. So keep an eye out on us, because we do these open sessions and we deal once again with all laws, all different types of laws. So you want to stay tuned, you want to be a part of it, and then we're going to tell you how to join us, how to become a member, how to become a student, all right? And also we've got merchandise. We want you to get some of that merchandise coming up, all right? I love y'all. I'm yours truly, Diva Laree. I'm going to be out of here and we're going to see you all. I love you. I'm out. Bye-bye.